In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, what's next for the Bitcoin price? And on top of this, guys, right now, Ethereum is now forming this new and massive pattern which we can actually make money out of it. What will happen next? Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's understand what is next for the Bitcoin price. So to give you a quick recap first, diba kahapon we were expecting this falling wedge, and traditionally a falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern which we can actually see a movement up until the top of the wedge. And take a look at this, guys. We saw that falling wedge, and look at this, it played out exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you have traded that. Ako I personally traded that with BingX. But yeah, right now what is next for the Bitcoin price? So diba, after hitting the target, nagkaroon tayo na massive sell-off. And as of that time being, we actually still continued this movement. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, we are not yet expecting a massive move kahapon. Ang mag-play out lang more likely is the early time frame falling wedge kasi wala pa tayong bullish reversal signs in the 4-hour time frame. But take a look at this, guys. Right now, we are now finally forming this bullish reversal signal forming in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi look at this. The price is declining, but look at the RSI. The RSI in the 4-hour time frame is now increasing. So right now, we are starting to see some strengths and some good signs na possible na magkaroon tayo ng trend reversal with the Bitcoin price. But yeah, as of the time being, I think it's still too early to tell. For now, ang nakikita natin kasi ngayon, meron tayong bullish divergence na nag-start mag-form. Ang possible lang dyan na mangyari is pwede niya ma-extend yung kanyang bullish divergence, and then saka pa lang tayo maka-expect ng malaking move to the upside. And that is also the similar thing na nakita natin dun sa ating previous bullish divergence to Bitcoin in the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to look back, ganun din yung nangyari noon. As you can see, we started forming this declining price while the RSI is increasing. And then in that case, dun tayo nag-expect na massive move to the upside. So right now, that is what we are going to wait out dito kay Bitcoin price if we are going to form that bullish divergence within the 4-hour time frame. So yung ating inaabangan dito, it's actually to replicate what happened on the previous movement dito ni Bitcoin. And hopefully kung ano nangyari sa previous movement, sana ganun yung mangyari sa ngayon. Pero as of the time being, we have to be patient muna with this Bitcoin price action before entering into any trade. But right now, meron tayong first sign of a bullish trend reversal signal. But as of a resistance, siguro ang resistance na kailangan natin tingnan would be around the $39,450 US. And take note, not everything is confirmed, not unless we see a 4-hour candle close above this area with buy volume. Kasi if wala, then of course that is not a confirmed move. Pero as of the time being, we are seeing a lot of bullish signals, bullish reversal signals. It's just a matter of time lang talaga kung kailan natin siya makita magkaroon ng bullish breakout. Pero guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best place to trade that is actually in Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So, in muna update natin for the Bitcoin price action, bullish divergence within the 4-hour time frame. And siguro meron din ako gusto ipakita sa inyo. You can actually look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to open the 4-hour time frame, and then you open natin yung moving averages, let's try to open the 20, you can actually see na the 20 moving average is now acting as a resistance dito with the Bitcoin price. So, as of the time being, on top of the bullish divergence forming within the 4-hour time frame, we have to monitor the 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi I think that would be a crucial resistance that we need to break in order for us to flip bullish. Looking at this in the daily time frame, you can see na we are still forming this ascending triangle, this massive ascending triangle in the daily time frame. So if ever na makakuha tayo ng bounce dyan, that is still possible, then in that case, we might actually play within this movement ni Bitcoin around the ascending channel dito sa ating daily time frame. So as of the time being, yun yung aking i-monitor. Now, let's dive into the altcoin market naman kasi diba sa previous video natin, what we have to monitor was this support dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance chart. Kasi remember, the Bitcoin dominance can actually tell us kung alin ba yung mag-perform better. Is it Bitcoin or is it the altcoin market? And remember, if pataas to, it is going to indicate Bitcoin is going to perform better and altcoins are more likely going to bleed against Bitcoin. Pero if declining to, then that would indicate altcoins are going to perform better than Bitcoin. And as of the time being, nag-increase tayo ng paunti-unti sa ating Bitcoin dominance, and that is indicating na Bitcoin is actually going to perform better for the time being. But as of now, as you can see, meron tayong red candle na nag-form. Hopefully na mag-play muna tayo dito within this area. Kasi pag play tayo dyan, if let's say nag-move lang to sideways, then kung ano galaw ni Bitcoin, yun din more likely magiging galaw ng altcoins. Pero if this is pataas, if let's say this is increasing, then that is not a good thing. But as of the time being, we're still going to monitor this kasi right now, as it stands, Bitcoin is going to perform better than altcoins. If I were you, if you want to invest with the market or if you want to trade with the market, I highly suggest na trade with Bitcoin muna for the time being. Now, diving into altcoins, look at this. Ethereum is right now forming this broadening falling wedge within the early time frame. So this is actually a good swing tradable opportunity. But traditionally, a broadening falling wedge is a bullish pattern to the upside. Ang usual target nito would actually be the top of the wedge, which is around the $2,671. But take note, wala pa tayong nakikitang breakout. And that is actually a good long opportunity if we are able to break this resistance forming within the early time frame. And let's try to look at this in the 4-hour time frame. You can actually see na similar with the Bitcoin price, nagkakaroon na din tayo ng increasing RSI despite of the price declining. So we are now starting to see some good signs with the Ethereum price action. In the early, you can also say na we might actually be forming a bullish divergence within the early time frame. Similar din siya actually with the Bitcoin price. So right now, I think we are going to see a bounce anytime soon, but it's still possible na mag-continue ating bullish divergence dito. Possible na mag-play out pa din siya. But as of the time being, we are seeing a lot of signs na we might possibly see a bullish reversal with the Bitcoin price action anytime soon, as well as the crypto market. It's just a matter of time lang talaga. And always remember, patience lang talaga dito sa ating crypto market. And you always have to wait for a bullish breakout in order for us to say na magkakaroon na tayo ng confirm move with buy volume. So that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Ethereum price action. And last but not the least for today, let's talk about BNB kasi look at this. BNB is right now forming a clear resistance. So previously, dun tayo nagkakaroon na resistance. So another resistance, another resistance. Nung na-break natin siya, nagkaroon tayo ng movement. And unfortunately, we got rejected by certain resistance areas around this area, around the 412. But as of the time being, we are seeing a strong support and resistance between the $363 up until the $385. So if we want to say na we are going to flip bullish with the BNB price action, we have to break the $385 with buy volume in the 4-hour time frame in order for us to see a continuation movement to the upside kay BNB. But as of the time being, di pa natin siya never-break. So as it stands, wala pa tayong confirmation na magkakaroon tayo ng breakout with BNB. But for now, I think maganda i-monitor si BNB kasi look at this. We are seeing this massive resistance forming with the BNB price action. And if we are able to break this, then that is a good longing opportunity with the BNB price action. So ayun muna update natin for the time being, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.